Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh God, I hope it is.
What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle, and this should be the last episode, episode 6. The 240, we can pull on 2. Everything by itself, it starts up. Now, of course, the stage 3 cam and the heads are making it run a little bit rich. The ECU doesn't know what to do, so a tune will fix that for us, guys. But the thing is running. It's a backup on here. I do believe we fixed the power steering issue, so now we're not gonna have to fight that all year, trying to get up on somebody's door and fighting that. We're gonna do an alignment today, put the skid plate back on, and guys, it is coming home back to Michigan through the winter storm. But I hope you enjoyed this video series, all 6 parts. This should wrap it up, guys, so let's get started. Hey Barry, what are you doing there?
Putting on the alignment head here for, we're gonna do an alignment.
How does that work?
Well, you adjust your arms here to the outside of your rim, and then you just push on this, and it locks in your wheel treads here. And then we mount the sensor head to this unit right here, this hole right here. So, and then as I move this, that's gonna move the back of the wheel in or out. And if you watch the alignment machine up there, that line in the middle there, is it going up or down?
Let's move it to the center.
Well, that, yeah, the one on the very bottom there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there we go. Now both sides are met. And look, this is how much we had to do. This is all that difference made. Because I just come over here. Look between the jam nut and the, it just split the difference between these 2 heim joints, and that's how far it took to get it lined up. And then you want, when you straighten this, you want to make sure your heim joint is straight with your bolt, and then you tighten that.
Okay. guys, so the car is on the trailer, as you can see. I am beyond happy. Unfortunately, the hood, I must have lost the 4 bolts, so the hood is not going on, so it is strapped down in the back of the truck. But this is going to finish up episode 6. I know I didn't get tons of footage while we were trying to figure everything out, but I'll kind of do a voiceover on that part. The alignment was actually just about dialed in. We just had to tweak the back left in a little bit, toe in. Otherwise, guys, episode 6 is done. Thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe. Otherwise, peace out, and I'll see you this drift season.